firearm content seen on this channel is legal.
Between your faith and my Glock 9mm, I take my Glock. Come, let's go.
Yeah. Big flex, man. What's the word, YouTube, man? Today, you already know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I clean my firearms. I haven't cleaned my firearms in a minute. So I'm gonna just be using this. This is the Breakthrough brand, 9mm. I'm not gonna lie, I use this for usually all my calibers, and I know I need something bigger than this, something more versatile too. But this is what I do for now, you know? This was cheap. This is the only gun cleaner I've ever bought since I've owned guns. Yikes, right? I grabbed me some water. Of course, I got the sink right here. That's for the hot water, but for me, grab you some soap. I usually use dishwashing, so that's what I'm gonna use. So this, a toothbrush. For me. Actually, this is my drinking water. So today, for me, excuse me, just sipping my green tea, drinking my water. It helps me stay feeling refreshed, you know? Ooh, that's a little bit too hot right now. Some water. Okay, so we're taking our guns apart. I literally put everything together with everything. Y'all are gonna see in a second. Yucky. This is crazy. Dirty hands already. But yeah, man. What I don't like, y'all, I gotta show y'all something on my Taurus. Yeah, it's bad on this side, homie. We gotta clean. Whole lot of cleaning to do today. Oh my goodness. All that should be brown, just like the slide. It's nasty. Oh, on a guy's fault. Taking all these bad boys apart, man. See me, this is my new barrel for the G26. I love it, but it's dirty. You know, all my slides together. Got my recoil springs together. I want to clean this, but I barely did anything with it. You feel me? It's the Ruger 5.7, big boy. Big boy. For me, like, draw that shit fast, like, you feel me? It's one of my favorite pistols I got in my collection. Feel me? Rifle tips, boy. And I just peeped the sight. Look, I just peeped this. I just peeped the sight goes like that. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Frames up here. Barrels, the springs, the slides. That's my little setup thing. I always, you know, grab my soap, clean and click with your cloth. And this is all you really need to, like, you feel me? To get the job done. So as y'all can see, this is my setup, you know, lay my towel down so any dirt don't get on. It's nice, you feel me? Gotta keep that clean, but yeah, bro. So we're just gonna jump into this, and I'm gonna show y'all how I get into cleaning my guns. So first, what I always do, you don't need soap. This is just preference. You know, you wanting your guns to look good, to stay looking clean or fresh out the shop, you know? So I'm gonna just clean all of these together. What we're gonna do is, what I usually do, scrub that frame, man. Brushes, it's like brushing your teeth, man. I should have showed y'all up close after. I need a grip. I need grip for certain of my grip for most of my pistols so they don't get like this. Look, it's already looking bad. Alright, let's get to work. This is what I meant to show y'all on my Taurus though. I gotta take it to my gunsmith. I can't even carry it no more because the sight is messed up. I think it's from the holster I was putting it in, which sucks. Because even though I have better guns than a Taurus, that was still one of my favorites to hold every day, you know? Yeah, man. Let's just scrub that frame with that toothbrush. Let's see. So much, oh my goodness. This is crazy. You don't even gotta do too much. Like, because it's not even, the gun becomes no longer that attractive like when it's dirty to me, unless it's a dirty Glock. For some reason I like them dirty looking Glocks, some shit that look like they've been through hell. I like them shits. Okay, so with black guns you don't really have to, and I'm actually not going to. So, you know, keep it a stat. I'm not going to. On the Glock, I'm going to because I peep like it can get dirty in here when I don't have my purple grip on. So I am actually gonna do it on this one too, just so you guys can see. Here showing how I clean my guns all around. So you see, like, still soapy. Okay, so it's not really literally covered in bubbly soap no more, but there's still soap on it, as you can see. And this is a wet cloth. I'm gonna show you after I wipe the Taurus. I feel like the Taurus is gonna be worse after I wipe it down than the Glock. Honestly, that performed more. I had that longer. But yeah, it's simple, bro. All this I'm doing is not rocket science, man. So the Glock frame is done. My M&P frame doesn't need any cleaning, honestly. I was gonna show you guys, but I really don't need to. Matter of fact, okay, so this is where this comes into play. Real quick. And we Gucci. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Like, if you could really see, like, that's supposed to be brown. Like, I need a grip. Because I don't want to use this, because this is not made for this, but I don't know, man. I don't like dirty shit. I hate dirty shit, bro. Ever since a kid, I hate dirty shit, bro. I mess up my dirty clothes, I want to go and change, bro. I don't know. I like looking to the best of the, you know, best of the ability. But anyway, I know this looks way better than it did, so still happy. Okay, so now we're moving on from, this is the M&P barrel, you know. Okay, so this is what I do for the barrel. Run that through. The Taurus barrel next. Doing that, you know, could either rust my guns or make my guns perform any least than they perform. Please let me know. Comment. Like, I need the productive, constructive criticism, not the asshole criticism, not the hating criticism. You feel me? Fuck with me, man. We almost at 1K. I remember I had 1 subscriber, bro. I was scrubbing inside, making sure there ain't no built up gunk to the point where it builds up and it makes it hard for bullets to get through. I don't know. I don't know the exact science behind it, but you know how having shit in your own, in your own way, like, brings peace, makes you feel alert, The glove. Okay, the barrels are clean. Now it's time for the slides. Okay, so what you're gonna do is back to the toothbrush. While we let the barrels sit, we're not done with the barrels. We're just letting them sit for right now. Clean a gun. All right, we're letting the Glock one sit. Moving on to the M&P. More soap. Y'all see that? It's getting dirty in here, man. Put these to the side. Alright, we're gonna get back to cleaning. Alright. Damn. I don't know why I'm surprised by this. I know y'all like, this nigga's using Bronner's soap to clean his gun. That is what it is, man. Look at that. Look at the before. Yeah. Scrub it through. Scrub the sides, like I said. Damn, yo, look how black this is. Look how black this toothbrush is, bro. Just from 3 pistols. Yeah, look at this, bro. It looked like it came like this or something. Okay. Wow, the whole time this came with wipes. I never seen them. That's crazy. Tons of wipes. Never seen this. So we just gonna use them for the one time, right? So we gonna look how dirty it is. Wiping the slide down. Oh, look at that. We just did a good clean. All right, but what I am gonna do is go back to this. I'm glad I found the wipes with y'all, but this is gonna be a quick video and that was gonna take forever. This gun's not so close. Something be telling me to get rid of this Taurus, man. I feel like my Taurus now should be a M17, an M18, bro. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sell this Taurus, give it away, bring it back to the shop, let them sell it, and give me my money. And I'm gonna put whatever bread towards it. Put whatever bread from it towards an M17 SIG. That's gonna be my first SIG money. We done with this. I'm not even taking this to the gunsmith. This is done for. But nah, barrel clean. You feel me? Clean, way cleaner than before. We ain't stressing that little shit. That ain't nothing. We just know the gun's clean. You feel me? Nah, let me give y'all one more look at that. Y'all see how it looked before? Shit was super terrible. Okay, so this is the M&P barrel. Drink my tea. If y'all ain't in a tea, y'all bugging. This literally gets me through the day. Like, shit's crazy, bro. Oil, that's a nice little amount. And I have some military grade solvent. It's like the degreaser, but we basically just did all that, but just because this is like the gun version of it, I'm still gonna spray the last bit I have on the slides, like the inside of the slides. Y'all gonna see why. Let's spray it right here. Spray that. So all three of these are sprayed, right? Get right, hold on, my fault, y'all. You gotta get it right there, shit like that. Oil that down, oil the inside. Just make sure your shit's good at all times, man. Damn, this shit feels smoother, looks better. Come on, man, I'm putting y'all in the game. And it's a built pistol again. And like, once again, it looks way better than before. Back on. And like I said, it's a built pistol again. And it looks better than before. You feel me? Ready to carry. And I appreciate y'all for tapping in, watching me clean my guns, how I do it, in my own way. I know there's plenty of ways. If you're watching this, like, comment, subscribe. We almost at 1K. I've been dropping vids back to back. I've been trying to keep vids in the cut so I could just drop spontaneously. That's the goal, you know? I love you guys. As Ahri, don't shoot them. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here.